Hey guys! Welcome back to Easy Science with Teacher Jenny. Today, ang tuturo ko ay kung paano mag-compute ng Ohm's Law.
Ohm's law is a formula used to calculate the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. The law addresses the key quantities at work in circuit. This is an example of a basic circuit. Let's define the key terms. Voltage is the pressure that is responsible for pushing the charge in a closed-loop conductor. So, ang voltage daw ay yung pressure na nanggagaling sa source na nagtutulak paikot ng circuit. Tatandaan, the greater the voltage, the greater the flow of electrical current through that point. So, kung mataas yung voltage, mataas din yung flow ng electrical current. Pag sinabing current, it is the rate at which electrons flow past a point in a complete current. Ibig sabihin nito, ang current ay yung direction ng flow ng current sa electrical circuit. Pag naman sinabi natin resistance, it is the opposition that a substance offers to the flow of electric current. So ito yung nagpapabagal or kumukontra sa daloy ng current sa electrical system. Okay, i-summarize natin ang tatlong yan. Pag voltage, ang symbol nito ay V or E. Ang unit ng measurement ay volts. Ang measuring device ay voltmeter. Ito yung pressure that triggers electron flow. Ang inventor nito or nakadiscover ay si Alessandro Volta. Ang symbol ng current ay I, ang unit ay ampere. Ang instrument na ginagamit para ma-measure ito ay ammeter. Ito yung rate o yung intensity ng electron flow. Ito ay nadiskubre ni Andre Marie Ampere. Ang resistance naman ay may symbol na
Omega.
ang unit ay ohm at ang device para ma-measure ito ay ohmmeter. Ang resistance ay ang flow inhibitor sa circuit. Ito ay naimbento ni Georg Simon Ohm. Maari nating makalculate ang Ohm's law using the formula V is equal to I R. V is voltage, I is current, R is resistance. Okay, tandaan natin yung triangle formula. Sa itaas nun, ang V. Sa dalawang ibaba, ang IR. Pag sa taas at baba, iyan ay division. At sa dalawang magkatabi, iyan ay multiplication. Okay? Tatandaan na ang unit ng volt ay voltage, ang unit ng current ay ampere, at ang unit ng resistance ay ohm. Pag given ang current at resistance, makakalculate or makocompute mo ang voltage. Pag given ang voltage at resistance, makocompute mo ang current. Pag given naman ang volt at ang current, makocompute mo ang resistance. Okay, so try natin gamitin yan sa sample problems na ito. A current of 10 amps is running through a circuit with a resistance of 5 ohms. What is the voltage? So, using the Gresham method, isolve natin ito. Ang ating given ay 10 amps at 5 ohms. Ang ating required ay voltage. Ang equation ay V is equal to I times R. Ang sagot natin dyan ay 50 volts. Nakuha ba? Let's try the second problem. If the battery of a circuit above is 25 volts and the resistance is 5 ohms, what is the current? So, ang given ay 25 volts and 5 ohms. Ang required ay current. Ang equation ay I is equal to V over R na magiging 25 divided by 5. So, ang answer dyan ay 5 amperes. Let's try another one. The current is 110 volts. If a light bulb runs a current of 0.5 amps, what is the resistance of the bulb? So ang given natin ay 110 volts at 0.5 amps. Ang required ay resistance. Ang equation ay R is equal to V over I. Ang solution ay 110 divided by 0.5 at ang answer ay 220 ohms. Okay? Nakuha ba?
Well, I hope may natutunan kayo sa video lecture na ito. Huwag kalimutang i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel at i-like and follow my Facebook page for more video updates. Thank you very much for watching. See ya!